Good morning, dear student. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are here to discuss your chapter number 2, fractions. So firstly we will discuss what are fractions. As I have this circle and I cut it into 4 portions and I shaded this portion only. So how I can identify which portion I have shaded? It means I have 4 portions. From it I have shaded only one portion. So this is called fraction. It is a part of whole. It means I have shaded from whole a part. Which one part I have shaded? 1/4 part of whole circle I have shaded. This is the definition of fraction. After the definition we will discuss the types of fraction. First is proper fraction. It means that fraction which have numerator greater than denominator. We have a fraction 1/2. This is called numerator. This one is denominator. So proper fraction will be a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. So we can give example 3/4. Numerator is 3, 4 is denominator. So numerator is less than denominator. Same as improper. In improper, numerator will be greater than denominator. Example 5/3. It means numerator is greater than denominator. Third one is mixed fraction. It is a fraction combination of a whole number and a fraction. It means mixed fraction क्या होता है? वो combination होता है whole number and proper fraction का. हमेशा proper fraction का ही mixed fraction बनेगा. improper के साथ ये नहीं बनता. Okay? We can change improper fraction into mixed fraction, but it is type of whole number and proper fraction. So we will discuss other types also like fraction. What are like fractions? Two fractions which have same denominator. Same denominator. Denominator. It means 3/5 and 4/5. Both have same denominator. So they are like fractions. But if they are 3/5 and 4/8. What they will be? They will be unlike fraction. Like fraction which have same denominator and unlike fraction which have different denominator. Okay, so we will discuss problem related to these fraction topic. And now we will start exercise 2.1 of fraction chapter. So in first question they have given ki compare with this sign. This is greater sign, smaller sign and equal sign. We have to compare two fractions. They have given two fractions here in first question and second question. 11/9 and 5/9, two fractions they have given. So how can we compare? We can compare only like fraction. We cannot compare unlike fraction. So what are like fraction? If they have same denominator. These two fractions have same denominator. So I can say which one is greater? 11/9 is greater than 5/9. They are same. 11 is greater than 5. So 11/9 is greater than 5/9. But what will happen if they have no same denominator? If they have different denominator, they are unlike. How can we make them like terms? Then what will we do? 7/9, first fraction I have written here, and I will multiply this denominator with this one fraction. 13 into 13. This one denominator multiplied by this, and this denominator I will multiply by 8/13. So 13 into 7 is 91 and 117. Next 8/13. I will multiply this denominator into 9. 9 is 72 and 117. So now they are like terms. Denominator is same. So what can I say? That they are like terms. No, now we can identify which fraction is greater fraction. Which one is greater, 91 or 71? 91 is greater than 72. So from which fraction 91 we get? We get from 7/9. So 7/9 is greater than 8/13. This is my answer. Okay, if like terms are given, then we can easily tell which one is greater and which one is smaller. But if they are different denominator, they are unlike terms. Firstly we have to make them like terms, then we can say which one is greater and which one is smaller number. Next question of this exercise is write in ascending order. We have to write in ascending order these terms. What will be the ascending order? We will write smallest term firstly, then greater term. We will go to greater terms. Okay, now how can I tell कि which one is smallest, which one is greater? I will do same base. I will make them same base. How can I make? I will take LCM of these denominators. I will find a common number between these. So I have written here 6, 8, 12 and 16. We will find smallest table for it. It is 2, for which they are divisible. 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 6s and 2 8s. Again for 2 it goes and I will divide by 2 whole 4 numbers. Now it again goes for 2. 3 doesn't come in it. Then 2 comes, 3, at 4 it is 2. Now again at 2. Now 3 is left, I will go with the 3. So what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 is the LCM, it is the common factor between all these numbers. It means 48 इनके टेबल में आता होगा. So I can change it into like terms. So I will write first number 6, 4 by 6. Count 6 table, where 48 comes, it comes at 8. So I will multiply by 8 in upper side and down side, in numerator and denominator. 8 4s are 32, 4 8, 6 8s are 48. Next is 3 by 8. Count 3 table, we know that 8 6 is 48. So I multiplied by 6 and I got this one. Next is 6 by 12 into, at 12 table it comes at 4. So I multiplied by 4, 24 by 48. Last one is 5 by 16. Count 16 table, at which it comes 6 3s are 48. So I multiplied 5 3s are 15 and 16 3s are 48. I change whole numbers. Now see, denominator is same in all the terms. How can we write in ascending order? I know that the first number will be smallest number. Which one is smallest? This one. So I will write 15 by 48. Next one is 18 by 48. I have written 18 by 48. Find next one greater number, 24 by 48. Next one is which one is left? 32 by 48. So from these numbers I can find which one is greater. This comes from this one number. So I have written 5 by 16. 18 by 48 comes from 3 by 8. So I have written 3 by 8. 24 by 48 came from 6 by 12. I have written here. And next is 32 by 48. It's 4 by 6. So I have changed into the ascending order. Similarly, you can write into descending order by changing denominator. So other question you will try by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.